how to fill the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Now, most of the time the fluid is blue. There are a lot of different kinds you can buy. Some has a de-icer in it. Some will withstand certain cold temperatures. So there are a lot of different windshield wiper fluid you can buy.
The first thing you're going to want to do is open the hood. Right here, you just pull this lever and you should hear it pop open. Underneath there's a little lever that you can pull and it should release the hood. There's the lever. And then there will be a stand that you can use to keep the hood up. And you just pop it in that hole.
The way you can find out where the windshield wiper reservoir is you can see there's a windshield and it shows the fluid. So that's what you want to look for. And it's usually, if you look inside, sometimes you can see the reservoir tank and it'll be blue. Not in all cases, but that's usually the color of the fluid.
Here is another example of a windshield wiper fluid reservoir in a 2012 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, this lid is blue and the Chevy Cavalier was black, but they have the same kind of symbol, and you can tell that this is where the windshield wiper fluid would go.
Just pour the fluid in. You might spill a little bit, so you might also want to use a funnel and then just pour it into the funnel. Just make sure that you put the cap back on, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you should be good to go.